How to fix Roblox voice chat not working. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Play Store or an App Store and then search for the application Roblox. Head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date, and it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings of your device. Move into apps, head over to the application Roblox, and then move into storage and cache. Over here, clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the app, and it might fix the issue that you have been facing on Roblox. Now the next thing you can do is go back and head over to permissions. You need to grant the permission to all of these options, especially your microphone. Well, once it has been done, your voice chat will definitely work properly, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix voice chat not working on Roblox. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.